If you're like many people with a 2009 Ford Focus, you've probably faced the frustration of a dead cigarette lighter. It's a common issue and thankfully often an easy fix. Let's find the fuse location and get you recharging. Again, the cigarette lighter, aka the 12-volt power outlet, is powered by a fuse that can blow out unexpectedly. It's like the Achilles heel for your car accessories. Who knew a simple fuse could disrupt your morning routine so profoundly? You can locate the cigarette lighter fuse in the central fuse box of the vehicle. This fuse box is conveniently situated under the dashboard on the driver's side to the left near the footwell. It have a flashlight ready. It can be quite shadowy down there. Now, this may not be the sort of treasure hunt you enjoy, but it's necessary. Once you find the panel, you'll need to gently pry it open. You are looking for fuse number 39. This little hero keeps your gadgets powered during those long drives. Pro tip, carry a set of needle nose pliers. They're precise, making the removal and insertion of fuses a breeze compared to fumbling with fingers alone. Trust me, trying to swap fuses with just your fingers is like threading a needle with rope. Again, here's where things often trip people up. Fuse number 39 is a 15 amp fuse. It's critical to match that amperage when you replace it. Using the wrong fuse is like wearing a 2 sizes too small helmet. It won't protect you when you need it most. Put back the fuse panel cover once you've replaced the fuse. It's a quick step, but crucial to avoid any accidental kicks that might pop fuses loose. Plus, it prevents dirt and debris from finding their way into the fuse box. Turn the ignition on and test the lighter. If you've done everything right, it should be humming with power. Get ready to charge your phone, power your GPS, or even light that stubborn candle on a camping trip. Endless possibilities. If it doesn't work, don't worry. You might have another issue. Check for any blown fuses again, or ensure all connections are tight. But for many, simply replacing the fuse solves 90% of these issues. A real win in the fix-it-yourself world. Remember, it's not just about getting your tech back online. It's about knowing your vehicle better. With each small repair, like finding that elusive fuse, you develop a tighter bond with your car. Yes, even if it clunks occasionally, like mine in Portland. Another important note, always carry spare fuses in your glove compartment. They're inexpensive, and having them on hand can save you from future headaches. It's like carrying an umbrella, because we all know, especially in the rainy Northwest, that the sky loves a surprise drizzle. And with that, you've learned a handy way to maintain a part of your Ford Focus you probably never thought much about. Keep that DIY spirit alive, and remember, the next time you encounter a dead cigarette lighter, you've got the knowledge to tackle it head on.